Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Today, very important concept. What I'm telling yesterday in the previous classes, special operators we are starting. What are the special operators are available means in every database, four special operators are available. Already we are discussing that one. One is fastly observed here, anybody not adding means here in is a what special operator, opposite is what, not in is a special operator. Here between is a special operator, again not between is another special operator. And now here, yes. Again, another one is null is a special operator. What the opposite one means? Is space and not space null. Again, like is a special operator, opposite is what? Not like. But in a previous class, what I am telling, in and not in operator, I am telling also, not in operator does not work with the what? Null values. What is null? Today we are learning only. Now here, not in operator does not work with the null values. Already I am telling. What is the reason behind that one means whenever we are using a what in operator, internally database servers uses logical operator or. But whenever we are using a what not in opposite side and operator used by the where servers, that's why not in operator does not work with the null values. Up to this notes all are writing or not. That's why not in operator does not work with null values. Already we are discussing or not. All are writing up to this one. Hello, 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 hello. Completed. This theory is completed. Yes. Now very important. Today class most powerful. Please be concentrated. Why? Because this concept today concept regularly used in projects only. Very important. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Okay, not in operator does not work with the what? Null values. I'm agree. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, what is null? What is this null actually? So now here, yes. Any problems are there in a null? What is null? Okay, so now you must be familiar. In every database, systematic treatment of null values as a third chord rule is there based on that one null definition they are giving. And also what is null, when to use, all the things they are giving. Suppose in this table, observe here, this a table is there, select a star from EMP like this. I'm setting an environment. Now check it out, slowly observe here, very interesting. Now here, this is a table is there, select a star from EMP. Here in this column, one of the stays here empty is there or not? Yes, value is not there. This is called a null. Here in a commission column, here null value practice purpose commission column, they are giving only here any value is not available. That is a called null. That's why what is the meaning of null? Null is an unknown value, unavailable value, absence of value. Now today in this case only the data is not available. Maybe in a future data is available. Those type of things represented in a real-time projects. Null. Null is an unknown value, unavailable value, unpredictable value, absence of value. It is not same as zero. Zero is different and null is different. So now here first write it what? Some definition, write it only. Write it null, side heading, null. Null. Null is an, side heading, null. Null is an unknown comma. Null is an unknown comma. KNOW. Null is an unknown comma, unavailable comma, undefined comma, unpredictable value. Null is an unknown comma, unavailable comma, undefined comma, unpredictable value. It is not same as zero. It is not same as zero. It is not same as zero. Now 1 minute observed here. It is not same as zero. 1 minute observed here. Actually, in a real-time project side, suppose here commission column value is there. For example, in my project, here this employee commission up to today we don't know. So no, really, maybe in a future available. Presently, the value is not unknown value. In a future may be available. Those type of things we are representing as a what? Null only. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, you are a first time newcomer. You are not working in a project side. But so now here, why we are learning a what null value means reason is there. Suppose anybody attending a what previous classes, maybe now here insert into statement I'm telling. Anybody have an idea? In a previous classes, third method only insert into statement I'm telling or not? In that one, skipping column, method 3, I'm telling only. Method 3, I'm telling. In that method 3, skipping columns, I'm telling. In the skipping column side, I am also here also technical programmer without working in a project side also. Yes, here we are inserting what data into particular cell. In that case, another cell values are inserted by null values in all relational database. That is take care of the servers. That's why compulsory you are learning a what null only. Suppose really correct. Suppose particular cell values, how can I here this cell value I want to insert. This cell value I want to insert. This cell value I want to insert. Here this cell value I want to insert. Whenever this cell value I'm not inserting, these cell values means automatically inserted by null values in a server. Now really that is correct. Insert into, don't write it here, EMP. Particular column, already I'm telling particular column values, employee number, E name, here department number, for example, here values. Here I'm inserting employee number, my name Murali like this. Here department number, null department, for example, okay fine, one Murali I'm inserting. So now here, yes, here department number 40, I'm inserting, for example. Again, another record I try to insert, here salary like this. Here values like this. Here particular column is 2. Here A, B, C. Here salary is a what? 3000. You are observing or not? Here I'm inserting a what particular cell. Here particular column based only I'm inserting. Another columns I'm not inserting. In that case, another cell values are automatically inserted by null values in the server or not? Yes, here. Suppose this at a table is there. Observe here. One morally here null value is inserted by the server. Here null value. Here null value. Here null value is there or not? Yes. That's why you are not inserting any particular cell value. Means always null values are inserted by server. Suppose 2 ABC, in this case also null value is there or not? That's why you are inserting a what particular cell value. In that case also, database servers automatically inserted a what a null value. Implicitly automatically insert a what null values. That's why in a project side 100% null values are there. Either you are working in a company, so now here absence of values. Otherwise, these type of particular statement, particular cell value we are inserting means 100% null values are there. Okay, that's when null is a unknown, comma unavailable, comma unpredictable value. It is not same as 0. That is the definition. But unfortunately, slowly observed here. Yes, here very important. So now here, yes, here, suppose in my project side, oh sorry, suppose here, for example, null is there, null plus here 50, what is the output? Anybody guess it? Null plus 50, what is the output? Null plus 10, what is the output? Null into 5, what is the output? Null divided by 7, what is the output? In arithmetic operation performed on null values, what is the output? Observe here. Null plus 50, I am asking only. What is null means unknown value, leave that one. And null plus 50 in a project said, what is the output? Very good. Null plus 50 is a 50 or null or 0. Only one answer is correct. Very good. So many fellows are telling 50, so many fellows are telling null, so many fellows are telling 0. What is the answer? Null. Very good. Not a 50, null only. That's why in a arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become a null. This is the biggest problem. This problem today we are rectifying only. Very important. In a arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become a null. Suppose in a null values are there in a project side. I am also here also performing any arithmetic operation, either into, either division, either subtraction, either addition, any arithmetic operation performed on null values. Again it will become a null. Really this is correct? Yes. What is this one means? We are learning a practically. Write it. Next para write it. Not only 50. Next para write it. In all relational databases, anybody late comer means null side editing. Okay. Yeah, write it. In all relational databases, any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become a null. In all relational databases, any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become null. In all relational databases, any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become null. Read it fastly. In all relational databases, any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become null. In all relational databases, any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become null. Example, write it. Null plus 50 is a null, right? This is a definition. Okay, and now very important. Today, 5 or 10 minutes concentrate. Most powerful. Why? Because already I'm telling daily we are using the what today concept in a way project side. Otherwise, outside interview question also very important. Now check it out. This concept practically we are learning. That is better. Suppose this is a table is there, EMP table to easily understandable for it. Select a star from EMP is a table is there. For example, original your table data observation. Actually, now Oracle Corporation giving a what EMP table, commission column is a null value practice purpose they are giving. One column, one practice purpose they are giving. Suppose higher date means dates practice purpose in a future, commission means null value purpose, employee number means primary key purpose, department number means foreign key purpose, MGR means hierarchy queries purpose, like that only. Job means group by class practice purpose. They are giving one. Okay, don't worry. Now here, check it out here, concentrate. At least EMP table, 1 minute observed here. First row observed enough. Through this one, easily you are learning. First row, Smith is an employee. Those persons are giving. Smith is an employee. He is getting a what salary? How much? 800 is a salary. Predefined, they're giving 800 is a salary. Maybe he is getting. Now, commission is a what? Bonus. You are thinking of what? Commission is a bonus. But he is not taking any bonus only up to today. Now, that's why that value is not available. That's why they are treated as a null, for example. Now, I want to display employee name Smith. I want to display salary. I want to display commission. There is no problem. E-name, salary, commission. But unfortunately, salary plus commission I want. Arithmetic operations can we perform after select keyword salary into 12? I am telling you in a previous classes. Same like salary plus commission. Possible? Possible. In that case, what is the problem? I want to display employee name is Smith. Okay. I want to display salary means salary. Okay. 800. Commission is a null. Okay. Up to this one, not a problem. But salary plus commission means 800 plus commission is a what? Here, how much? 800 plus null is how much? Null only. Really, he's taking a what? 800 salary. But here, according to our database rules, null it will be returned. That is a problem. And now here, that's why through the query, we are learning what that concept only. What is that one? I will tell you. Now write it first, query, write it. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display ename, ename, sal, commission, commission means COMM, right? Oracle Corporation. Write a query to display ename, sal, commission, sal plus commission, COMM, right? Write a query to display ename, sal, commission, sal plus commission of the employee Smith from EMP table. Write a query to display ename, sal, commission, sal plus commission of the employee Smith from EMP table. Write a query to display ename, sal, commission, sal plus commission of the employee Smith from EMP table. How you are writing about this query means already I am telling. How you are writing the queries means first observe it here. Whatever they are asking only the data is available, that columns are available in a table or not, first we have to check it out. Here ename is a column is available. Yes, available. Ename is a column is available. Again here, now here check it out. Here salary is available. Yes, commission is available. Yes, salary plus commission is not available also. Plus we are using possible or not possible. How you are writing about this query means, now here tell me. Now here, how you are writing about this query means, observe it here. Now here, now check it out. Here, this database here, observe it here, select, okay, fine. Here is ename is a column is available. That's why I'm copying. Select ename, comma is there. Here salary is available. Sal is a column is there in a database. Salary, okay, fine, comma. Here commission is a column is available. Yes, whatever columns you want to interested to display that one, comma. Here salary plus commission, salary plus commission. Here sal plus commission like this. From EMP. Up to now, okay. But unfortunately, particular row they're asking. All the rows it will display here. Particular row means where condition you have an idea. No? Suppose here ename Smith they're asking. That's why Smith is only one time only available. One employee is available. That's why this data it will be displayed. Where column name? No. Yes, very good. Where column name? What is the ename? Where column name? Ename is equal to. Here, where column name is equal to single quote, Smith means capital letter, okay, fine, in our class only. Here, single quote is there. Whenever we are writing this query, what is the problem? E-name is a salary. Here, salary, commission. Here, salary plus commission is displayed. But what is the result means? One problem is there. Now, here, check it out. E-name, salary, commission. Here, salary plus commission. In this case, ename is a data. He is a how much data? Okay, so what is the employee name? Smith. Smith is what here retrieved from the where database. Okay, fine. Here salary, how much he is taking? 800 retrieved from the database. Here, okay, so now commission is a what? A null value retrieved from the database. Up to this one, there is no problem. But salary plus commission, total salary means 800 plus null. Here, observe here. In this case, 800 plus null is there. Here, automatically total is what? Null. This is a problem. Actually, so now here, whenever I am also, you are also writing about this query. Smith, he is getting a salary 800, it's commission. Okay, so now bonus he is not taking, but total commission is total salary is a what? Yes, a null only. What is this one? This is a wrong output. Why? Because reality said, observe it here. Smith is an employee. He is getting a 800, but his salary, he is getting a salary 800, but he is not taking any bonus. He is not taking any bonus means total salary is how much? 800 only, but unfortunately null is displayed. That's why in place of this null, I want to display this original value 800. How can I? There is a question mark. Suppose here this one you are understandable. How can I mean? Simple technique is there. Suppose reality side, observe it here. Suppose here your name, my name is Murali, for example. I am working in a company, for example. So now here, yes, I am getting a what a salary here, 50,000 rupees, for example. Okay. Yes, here. Now here my okay, so now here is a relative asking only Murli, what is your so now here is total salary. Now here he is asking. Then I am telling my name is Murli, my salary is 50,000. I am not taking any bonus only. That's why my salary is 50,000 plus bonus is a null only. That's why my salary is a null. I'm telling means they're afraid only. Now that's why always my salary is how much? My total salary is how much? Yes, very good. 50,000. Okay, so 50,000 I'm telling only. But unfortunately, according to database rules, 50,000 plus null is a what? Here, null only. But I don't want like this only. Total salary, I want to display here 50,000 because I am getting a 50,000 like this. According to database rules, null. Any arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will become somewhat null. To overcome that problem, in this salary plus commission place, in this example side, I want to display 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Okay, so now how can I in this example side? Now first write it about that query. Through that one, I am telling a solution. Write it. Solution predefined functions through their query. Here in place of salary plus commission, I want 800 in this example side. How can I miss? I will tell you. Really, Smith is getting 800 salary, but he is not taking commission also. Total salary plus commission is 800 is taking. But here, according to database rules, null it will display. That's a problem. In place of salary plus commission, you are displaying an 800 in today expression side. Write it this example, query, and also output write it. Okay, Smith 800 plus null is I want here null only. Okay, but I want to display correct output here 800 plus null in this example side. 800 I want only. How can I find out this one? Salary plus commission place here. Okay, so now here 800 I want. How can I miss? Very, very important. Yes, in all relational database in the worldwide, this a problem is there. Any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become a what? Null. In place of this null in a project side, I want to display correct result. Salary plus commission is a correct result means here different databases, different solutions they are giving. Suppose here Oracle is a database is there. In this Oracle database, giving a what? NVL is a function. Today we are learning this function. Again, SQL Server is a database is there. Another database, SQL Server from Microsoft. They are providing a what? Is null is a function they are giving. Again, MySQL is a database is there. Okay, so now that database giving a what? So now if null is a function. That's why different databases, different solution, different functions they are giving. Conceptually same. In a arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will become a null. In this case, I don't want becomes a null only. In that case, I want correct result means just Oracle provided NVL, SQL Server provided is null, yes, MySQL provided if null, and a different database provided different functions only. But Oracle through we are learning NVL, through we are giving a what solution. Write it. Generally, write it. Next pair, write it. Generally, any arithmetic operations, right? Generally, any arithmetic operations performed on null values. Yes, one fellow is telling Murli sir, CoLC is a function is there. Yes, really correct. CoLC function is ANSI standard function. That is also similar to where NVL. Okay, yeah. In a future, 9A CoLC function also we are learning. What is the difference between CoLC and NVL? We are learning. Don't worry. Set operators and conversions is a chapter is there. In that one, I will tell you. Very good. You are telling a what? Clear decode and queries. 1 minute only. Here one fellow is asking Murli sir, CoLC function is there. Really correct. CoLC is another function is there. This is In a future, NVL, NVL2, null, if OLC, one of these days I will tell you in another son of your advanced chapter side only. In that case, so through that one also possible only. But what is the difference between OLC and NVL? We are learning, okay? But up to that stage, just here, normally whatever I am telling, that is you have to follow. So now that is better because you don't have an idea that much of knowledge in this case. Okay, yeah. So now write it. Generally, is asking, very good. Generally, any arithmetic operations, that is ANSI standard function, this is Oracle function. Generally, any arithmetic operations performed on null values. Write it. Generally, any arithmetic operations performed on null values. Again, it will become null. Up to now, functions we are not starting. Next functions classes are there. Generally, any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become null. To overcome this problem, write it, fastly write it. Generally, any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become null. To overcome this problem, Oracle provided NVL function. Generally, any arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become null. To overcome this problem, Oracle provided NVL function. Is a function. So many functions are there in C, C++, Java, these type of languages, predefined functions are there. No, suppose C language, printf, scanf functions are there. No? So now here, like that only here also predefined functions are there. Generally, in a arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will become null. To overcome this problem, Oracle provided NVL function. Side heading NVL. Side heading NVL. And now very important. Anybody interview asking about NVL, you are telling about wrong answers means immediately rejected. Why? Because NVL is a most powerful function only. Anybody asking about NVL, don't afraid only. So now these are predefined functions. Up to now, function you don't have an idea also. Open and close parentheses, right? Here function means open and close parentheses are there. Now check it out. What is NVL? Definition they are not giving only. Abbreviation they are not giving NVL, but NVL is a function. That's all. But what is the purpose of NVL means easily understandable. Now check it out. Simple technique is there. So now here don't by heart I want NVL function definition. Why? Because the by heart means you are forgetting what so many things are. That's why technically I'm telling. Actually, in a previous case, I'm telling what slowly observe here. Null plus logical I'm telling. Null plus 50 I'm telling only. For example, in an arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will become a what? What is the output? Very good. Sorry. Now here null only. That's why null plus 50 is a what? A null in this case. But unfortunately, you are a mathematician, for example. You are not a database programmer. You are a mathematician. If you want this null value place, output null value place 50, you want means what we can do. So now what we are doing means simple technique. Just you are a mathematician means just in place of null, it is a plus is there, no? In place of null, we are substituting a what? Which one? Which value? Very good. In place of null, you are substituting plus means 0. Into means 1. We are substituting. That's why 0 plus 50, then automatically what is the output? Very good. 50 only. That's why yes, null value place 50, sorry, 0 we are substituting means automatically you are getting a correct output or not. Same like user substituting a what? Yes, user defined value either 0, either 1, plus means 0, into means 1, like this is they are substituting a user defined value in place of null within an expression, then automatically correct output or not. Same thing performed by the way NVL function in a where Oracle side. NVL is a predefined function which is used to substitute or replace user-defined value, user-defined 0 or 1 or like this, user-defined value in place of null within an expression. Then automatically correct output it will display or not. Yes, that's why NVL is a what? So now predefined function which is used to substitute user-defined value. By user-defined value, they are telling not a 0, they are telling me is suppose here 50 into null means what is the output? Null. But 50 into 0 we are using means again 0. No, that's why 50 into 1 we are using only. That's why in place of null 1 we are substituting in that case. Yes, in a plus case, in place of null we are substituting what? 0. That's a developer wish. That's why correct output they want means so which value they are substituted, they are mentally decided only. That is important. But through the NVL function only, Oracle achieving a what? Same task only. That's why NVL is a Oracle predefined function which is used to substitute or we can replace user-defined value, our own value in place of null in an expression. That is the definition. Okay, and so now first the definition, write it. Then we are starting what is that one or write it. NVL is NVL open and close parentheses, right? Because predefined function. NVL is a Oracle predefined function. NVL is a Oracle predefined function which is used to substitute or replace NVL is a Oracle predefined function, predefined. Up to now functions we are not starting. Okay, next class said functions also we are starting, don't worry. NVL is a Oracle predefined function which is used to substitute or replace user-defined value in place of null. NVL is a Oracle predefined function which is used to substitute user-defined value, used to substitute or replace user-defined value in place of null. Is the definition. NVL is a Oracle predefined function which is used to substitute or replace user-defined value in place of null. Okay, but what the problem is, suppose you are a first-time newcomer software engineer, for example. Suppose C language you are learning, for example. In a C language, printf is a function they are giving only, but printf directly you are writing means it won't work. First, you are a good professional means in a way software engineering side, always you are okay, so you must familiar syntaxes and also functionality and also where we are using only. Suppose what is the syntax of printf means, a printf is a function is there. Here two parameters are there. Second parameter is a what variable name only we are using. In the first parameter, which format you have to display, that format only we are using age equal to %d like this. The second parameter variable value is displayed in this format. So many rules they are giving only, then only, yes, we are following that one syntactically and functionality we are following, then only we are applying a what that printf. Same like. NVL is a predefined function. That function, functionality and syntax Oracle Corporation giving those functionality and syntax you are familiar, then only you are also giving a what solution through that function in anywhere also null value problem is occurred in that case. Okay, yes, here how can I miss, I will tell you. Actually, NVL is a function is there. Yes, this NVL function accepts a what? Two parameters. So now here that is expression 1, comma expression 2. That is the syntax. NVL 2 is there. That is the 3 parameters. Next only we are learning. That's why NVL is a function is there. In that function, 2 parameters we are passing. Which values? What is that one means? I will tell you. Here expression 1, comma expression 2 belongs to same data type. First that small nodes write it. Then we are starting the what is the functionality and all these things. Write it. NVL function. NVL function always accepts 2 parameters. NVL of expression 1, comma expression. NVL function always accepts 2 parameters. Syntax NVL of expression 1, comma expression 2. NVL of expression 1, comma expression 2. Here, write it here. Expression 1, comma expression 2 must belongs to same data type. Syntax write it. Syntax of NVL of expression 1, comma expression 2. Here expression 1, comma expression 2 must belongs to same data type. Easy. Here expression 1 comma expression 2 must belongs to same data type. Syntax NVL of expression 1 comma expression 2. Here expression 1 comma expression 2 must belongs to same data type. And now check it out, slowly observe it here. Very important concept. Slowly observe it here. Actually, how you are remembering what this one means, functionality they are giving Oracle Corporation, that functionality you have an idea, finished. What is that one? Suppose here null plus 50, I am writing example purpose. In that case, here I want correct output, means null plus 50 is a null, null plus 10 is a null. Like this only I am telling example. Suppose in place of null, okay, we are substituting any value automatically, correct output or not. Plus means 0, we are substituting means 50 is correct output. But how we are substituting means, what they are telling means NVL is a function is there. Is a first expression is a what? Null value column they are giving. Second expression is a what? Yes, here, which value we are substituting, that one. Which value we are substituting? 0 we are substituting, that value we are giving means automatically, yes, 0. So now here it will be substitute here. So 0 plus 50 is a what? 50, it will be retro. That's why, okay, some functionality on idea, then only you are giving a what solution. What is that one means? NVL, what they are telling a Oracle Corporation, NVL, if expression 1 is a null, null means null value column, comma, then it will return expression 2. Expression 2 is a what? 0 we are using means this 0 is going to be written into where 0 plus 50 is a what? So now here, yes, here 51. That's why null, now if expression 1 is null, it will check expression 1 is null, then it returns a what? Expression 2, expression 2 0. That's why NVL null comma 0 is output is what? 0. Okay, 0 it will be returned. Suppose here 1 into 50 means here 50 or not into is that. That's why NVL of expression 1 is a null value column, comma 1 we are using means, then automatically 1 it will be returned. That's why if expression 1 is null, then it will return expression 2 they are telling. If expression 1 is null, then it will return a what? Expression 2 they are telling only. Really, that is correct. Now there is a functionality they are giving. Don't write it only. Why? Because these functionality, up to now you don't have an idea. Functions we are not starting. Suppose here null value column, comma. Here 0, I'm giving only what is the output. If expression 1 is a null, then it will return expression 2. Expression 2 means what? 0. Suppose if expression 1 is null, then it will return a what? Expression 2. Expression 2 is a what? 1, like this. Suppose here if expression 1 is a null, then it will return some what? Here 90, like this. Anything. Okay, sir. Expression 1 is a null means yes, automatic output is a what? Expression 2 only. That is a functionality. 40 means 40, like this. That's why if expression 1 is null, then it will return some what? Expression 2. That is a one rule. But unfortunately, so many fellows haven't get out. Yes, if expression 1 is not a null value, what is the output? Yes, not a null value means expression 1 only it will be returned. Expression 1 is how much? Here 10. Okay, fine. If expression 1 is a what? So now here not a null value means what is the output? Here expression 1 only. This functionality we are learning in a where functions in a future we are starting big functionality. Here 30 means here 30 it will be returned. That's why always so now the server is checks a what? Expression 1, expression 2. First it will be checks a expression 1. If expression 1 is null, then it will return expression 2. Otherwise it will return expression 1. What is that one means? I will tell you. Write it. This functionality first write it, because next only NVL2 through this functionality very easy remembering. Write it. Here, write it functionality. Here, if expression 1 is null, don't worry this one. Okay, very easy. Next NVL2 is there. No, through that one comparing means easy to understand. That's the fast time experiment. Here, if expression 1 is null, then it will return expression 2. Here, if expression 1 is null, then it will return expression 2. Whereas, if expression 1 is not null, then it will return expression 1. Whereas, if expression 1 is not null, then it will return expression 1. Here, if expression 1 is null, then it will return expression 2. Whereas, if expression 1 is not null, then it will return expression 1. Example, write it. Expression 1 is null means 2, it will be returned 10. Otherwise, 20. Example, write. Then solution everything. Only expression 1 is checking. If expression 1 is null means expression 2. Otherwise, expression 1 is not null means expression 2 only. Sorry, expression 1 is not null means expression 1 only it will be written. Expression 1 is null means then it will return expression 2. This is a functionality, default functionality. Then how can a solution means I will check. Okay, this functionality don't afraid only. Why? Because this functionality very easily understandable. Next something is there. But before that one, today we are telling a solution. And now check it out. Very, very, very important. Now observe here. Okay, that functionality, those all the things we are learning. So many functions are there in a future. Set operators, conversion side, NVL, NVL2, null if coercive. Otherwise, tomorrow we are telling about NVL2 only. That one through this one comparing means very easy. Expression 1, comma expression 2 belongs to same data type. There is a big concept. You are understandable. Those so many things understandable. But before that one, today, what I am telling, this a table is there. Select a star from EMP is a table. What I'm telling, Smith is an employee is there. For example, query, Smith is getting a 800 salary, commission is a null, but salary plus commission means he is getting 800 also. Commission they are not taking also. According to database rules, a null value plus anything is a what? Null only it will be returned. That is a problem. That's why in a previous case query, I'm writing select ename, comma, salary, comma, commission up to this one. There is no problem. But salary plus commission is a problem only from EMP, where ename is equal to Smith. I'm writing like this. But in this case only here automatically Smith is okay. So the 800 salary okay, commission null okay, but salary plus commission here null is displayed. I don't want to display null. Why? Because he is getting a what 800 salary. I want correct output. How can I mean? Simple technique is there. What is that one? Screen observe. 2 minutes observe here. Oracle Corporation telling simple technique only. Where the null value problem is occurred, go to that expression first. They're telling. Either in SQL, either in PLSQL, either in dynamic SQL, anywhere also, where the null value problem is occurred, go to that expression first, they are telling only. That's why where the null value problem is occurred here, null value problem here, commission is a null value. So now null value plus anything is a what? A null value only total. That's why where the null value problem is occurred, go to that expression first, they are telling, okay, fine, correct. Yes, where the null value problem is occurred, go to that expression, okay, fine. In that expression only, identify null value column. Which one is a null value column? Commission column. In this column place only, just substitute NVL function syntax. NVL function syntax is NVL of here, now here expression 1 commission, null value column, comma, which value we are substituting plus means 0. Yes, problem is solved. Simple. Now 800 is there or not, but how can how it is working, that one I will tell you. Suppose here what they are telling, again I'm repeating only, whenever null value problem is occurred, first go to that expression. They are telling, yes, go to that expression. This one salary plus commission is a here only problem. In this case, identify null value column. Null value column is what? Commission column. In place of that column only, just substitute NVL syntax. NVL of here, open parenthesis, commission, comma, 0, like this one. Whenever we are using a word, this one automatically, yes, correct output it will return or not. But how it is working, I will tell you. First, write it solution. How it is working, I will tell you. Write it solution. Their simplest solution. Write it this one. How it is working, I will tell you. These are all the things very easily understandable. Next big functionality is there. So write it this one. Solution, write it. Where the null value problem is occurred, go to that expression, identify the what null value column. In place of null value column, NVL syntax we are substituting. NVL of commission, comma, 0. Which value is substituted? 0. In this case, plus, no, that's why. Output also write it. Then how it is working, I will tell you, very easy. Okay, 800 is output, all are writing or not. But here, how it is working is simple, very easy. Substitution only, nothing is there. And now here, yes, very, very easiest okay, son of here thing is only. And now check it out, concentrate here. Concentrate here. Actually, just observe it here, expression. What is the expression? Salary plus NVL of, don't write it, NVL of, here commission comma 0. This is a what solution they are giving only, Oracle Corporation giving. But here how we are understandable means simple. Why? Because substitution value, salary is how much? 800 plus NVL of commission column. What is the value? Commission column in a Smith is a commission, is a what column? There Smith commission, what is the value? Null value. That is a null is substituted, comma. So now here 0. Whenever, okay, so now here 800 is there up to this one, okay, 800, okay, fine, plus here NVL of expression 1 is a null means which value it will be returned? Expression 2 value. Expression 2 value how much? 0. That's why 800 plus 0 is how much? Here 800. How much is it? That's why whatever column, null value column we are passing, that value is substituted. Here Smith value is a what? A null value. Null value. The if expression 1 is a null means expression 2, it will be substituted. Expression 2 is a what? 0 I am giving. 800 plus 0 is a what? 800 like this. Okay? Yes, here. This one also write it. This one also write it. 0 like this. These steps you are writing means non-technical person also easily understand. These steps write it how it will be executed. Just substituted value, no, salary plus NVL of commission comma 0, 800 plus NVL of null comma 0. 0 is substituted here. 0 it will be written 800. Okay, finished up. Okay, up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining what is this NVL, how it is working, the NVL 2 through all the things here understandable. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Today, now here 11 o'clock by student attend it in 11 o'clock. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining.